Hi, here's the Google Sheet that we're working on. And let me see if I can drag it into the view a little better. Here's the Google Sheet we're working on in destructively testing those rubber bands, right? So when we hang weight in pounds from a rubber band, it stretches some amount of inches. So easy enough, but the problem is all of our weights, as you know, are stamped in grams. They're not stamped in pounds. And it's, you can do the conversion if you want to on the fly and just put half pound, 0.4, whatever, 1 pound. You do the conversion on the fly, or like I taught you a couple weeks ago rather, why don't we just make it automatic? Because all the weights are stamped in grams. So let's just make it automatic, right? So let's make it so if we put the mass right here in grams, let's make it so that as we record the masses here in grams, that they show up over here in column B as pounds, right? And so, for instance, I want B3, the cell there, B3, I want that cell to read how many pounds I hang from the rubber band. But all the masses, again, are stamped in grams. So how do we make this read pounds if we put the grams right here? Well, we make this cell equal to this cell times the conversion factor. How do we turn grams to pounds? We multiply it by 0.0022, right? And I hit return, and that's ready to go. Okay. I want it to happen for the rest of the cells too, so let's click on that one so it highlights. Let's grab that blue dot and drag it all the way down, and now I just programmed all those cells. When I put the number of grams over here, it's going to show me the number of pounds over here. Okay, so for example, 1,000 grams, I happen to know, is 2.2 pounds. So let's just see if it works. 1,000 should be 2.2, indeed. And 2,000 grams, let's say we bumped it up to 2,000 grams, that should be 4.4 pounds, and it is, right? And down here, then we hung 3,400 grams from it. How many pounds is that? That's 7.48 pounds. Okay, so that's just a quick thing. You don't have to do that, but it might make it easier when you're collecting your data. That way you just read the weights and type in the number of grams, and it'll do the pounds for you. Right, so I'm going to delete this because I just made these numbers up, but that's good to go. And so if you want to do that, that'll make your life a little bit easier as you stretch and then break your rubber band. Okay, great. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.